This guide will show you how to create a cash collection ticket in Nayax Core. On the dashboard of your Nayax Core Management Suite, click on the Operators tab. Select the Cash Accountability tab from the drop-down menu. Please note, if you do not have this feature, contact your local support team to add this permission for you. Type in your operator's name, edit filters, such as machine reference or date range, and any other fields to locate your machine. Then click Search button as highlighted in red on the visual. The source column displays the manner in which the cash collection data was transmitted to the system. A red icon indicated the cash collection was transmitted via the Cash button on the cashless device. To create a collection ticket, select the Edit option. Edit all the relevant information from the tubes as highlighted in red on the visual. When done, click on Save and Exit button. We hope this guide was able to walk you through the process. We ask you to please help us help you by leaving feedback. Thanks for watching.